Here are 17 foods that can support weight loss. 1. Leafy greens, which include vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full. 2. Whole eggs. They are rich in protein and healthy fats. Eggs can make you feel full while providing essential nutrients. 3. Salmon. A great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can help regulate appetite and support a healthy metabolism. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber and protein, making them very filling. 5. Chicken breast. Lean protein like chicken breast is filling and helps maintain muscle mass during weight loss. 6. Tuna. Another high-protein, low-calorie option, tuna is a lean fish that can help with weight loss. 7. Beans and legumes. Lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, promoting satiety and aiding in weight loss. 8. Cottage cheese. High in protein and low in fat, cottage cheese is an excellent choice for a filling snack or meal. 9. Avocados. Despite being high in fat, avocados are loaded with healthy fats and fiber, making them satisfying and nutritious. 10. Nuts. A great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, nuts can help curb hunger and prevent overeating. 11. Whole grains. Foods like quinoa, oats, and brown rice are high in fiber and can help you feel full for longer. 12. Fruits. Fruits like apples, berries, and grapefruit are low in calories and high in fiber, making them excellent for weight loss. 13. Chia seeds. High in fiber and capable of absorbing many times their weight in water, chia seeds can help you feel full. 14. Greek yogurt. Packed with protein, Greek yogurt can help with satiety and muscle preservation during weight loss. 15. Olive oil. A healthy fat, olive oil can help with weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and supporting healthy metabolism. 16. Soups. Soups made from broth-based or vegetable-rich recipes can be filling while being relatively low in calories. 17. Green tea. Known for its fat-burning properties, green tea can boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, aiding in weight loss. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight.